This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how do prepaid credit cards work. Prepaid credit cards are a tool used for the purpose of rebuilding credit. Sometimes individuals will encounter credit difficulties and they're no longer able to have credit-based credit cards. So what they do is deposit cash amounts with vendors who are issuing cards, and then when they use the credit card, they're actually spending down their own cash. The credit card companies monitor this activity when they send out the bill, and over a period of time, if an individual has paid their prepaid credit card balance down or payment schedule down in a responsible fashion, the credit card company will add money to the account that is of their own nature. That means you now have a true credit card, and it's a way over time to rebuild your credit using prepaid credit cards. This is Patrick Monroe, financial advisor, talking about how do prepaid credit cards work.